Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica came here with another reaction. Yeah, today I'm a bad brother Prohgres. Big up myself, my G. No, some mad respects from them time till now. They are with Prohgres with Truth. Official music video. I'm going to jump in and see what I'm going to Let's go now, man. Production team, big up. So, whole heap of greats, you're saying now. Whole heap of greats. With current greats and past greats. Young greats and old greats. Yes. Vada Bold, Chronicler, Sean Paul, Sizzler, Asafa, Bob, Martin Luther King, Killer, Beanie, Damian Marley, Shaggy, Wally, make it go.
When I'm gone, tell me right now when I am leaving. Let me celebrate you when you're gone. Can't get no support when you're leaving.
Shona.
Missy family fight against family just cause I pray. Friend fight against friend because I pussy. Put your
Fox! This song named Truth! I'm bad. Me say family fight against family because of friends.
say you love me when I'm gone.
Wait.
Tell me right now when I am leaving. Let me celebrate you when you're gone. Can't get no support when you're leaving.
Is that true, you know? Sick. I want some money for go to hospital. And send a foreign go ask somebody. Not even foreign, just beg a family member a favor. Beg them some money, them and tell them not have it. But you see when you're gone and dead, them a fly down come bury you. Yeah? Where the money did there? Now send nobody owe you nothing, you know. But
celebrate you when you're gone.
them celebrate when you're gone for sure.
Can't get no support when you're leaving. Missy family fight against family just cause I pray. Friend fight against friend because I pussy.
Yeah, man, enough time G and G follow up because I want to look a mockers girl. Yeah.
Family just cause I pray. Friend fight against friend because I pussy. Put your faith in a human beings, you're stupid.
Not just them.
Loyalty hard to find. The ones you love the most, them hurt you all the time. You say you love me though, but do you really mean it? Hey, do you really need me? Hey, girl, stop playing my feelings. Don't say.
Yo. Why not hold on Prohgres greatness, bro? Why not hold on the G greatness, bro? Like, why is Prohgres not one of the leading members of the dancehall fraternity right now, bro? Why? Because he's a country youth? Because him born and grow a country and keep himself to himself? Because him not running in a camp?
Don't say you love me when I'm gone. Tell me right now when I am leaving.
You're the man vocal,
celebrate you when you're gone.
the melody, the message, every fucking thing connect. Prohgres!
Missy family fight against family just cause a friend. Friend fight against friend because a pussy. Put your faith in a human beings, you're stupid.
They're full.
Loyalty hard to find. The ones you love the most, them hurt you all the time. You say you love me though, but do you really mean it? Hey, do you really need me? Hey, girl, stop playing my feelings. Don't say you love me when I'm gone.
Hey, girl, you say you love me, but do you really mean it? Where you love? And I'm your love, the money you love, the moolah, the bang, the money.
Need me? Hey, girl, stop playing my feelings. Don't say you love me when I'm gone. Tell me right now when I am leaving. Let me celebrate you when you're gone. Can't get no support when you're leaving. Don't say you love me when I'm gone. Don't say you love me when I'm gone.
Prohgres, because you've been sing some conscious song from day one, bro. From day one, from Strength. From them song the Strength and them song them bad song there. Because you're not sing boy in a girl throat and girl suck off this and pit in a mouth and them fuck with them, bro. Them people them not look. I saw them stay. But them about say, yo, no positive music, no out there. No positive no artists. I be a fucking artist and I sing. No. Lie. Artists like this.
When I'm gone.
Me can't force it.
Don't you love me when I'm gone. everybody a pretend. When your money up, everybody are your friend. When you don't buy your feet.
True, you know. You see when your money up, yeah, everybody a friend. When your money connect, yeah, everybody a friend. But you see when your money done, them gone.
Pretend. When your money up, everybody are your friend. When you don't buy your face, I just you and yourself. Them rather take your ratings and put it on a shelf. Tell me, say me great now, no bother wait till me dead. Give me for me share now, no put it on a well.
Yeah, man. No, but tell me no, brother. Tell me say me great no. Tell me say me a bad artist no. Give me flowers no. Nobody put it on a shelf.
Now wait for nobody fi give me no strength. If I feed them alone, me hang myself with a belt.
And next thing,
nobody fi give me no strength.
you see this right here, so this is one of the most powerful things in the video. Me I go tell you why. You see, us men don't get flowers until we're dead. Yes, literally. Man not get flowers until you're dead. Like, them put a wreath for your grave and flowers for your casket. Yeah. At that time alone, you get little flowers. You not get no flowers. Birthday, you not get no flowers. Valentine's Day, you not get no flowers. Even though man not supposed to get flowers on Valentine's Day. But I'm just saying that man is not appreciated as much as we should be. I'm just saying. We don't get the flowers until we're dead, bro.
If I feed them alone, me hang myself with a belt. Don't say love me when I'm gone. Tell me right now when I am leaving. I'm celebrating when you're gone. Can't get your flowers while you're leaving. Don't say love me when I'm gone.
Yeah.
Don't say love me when I'm gone. Don't say love me when I'm gone. Don't say love me when I'm gone. It could have never surprised me not know where people do. You check up when you want a friend to compete with you. See how you fight and struggle for reach you. So
Yo, it fuck up when you want friend to compete with you, bro. And sometimes you don't even know said the friend that compete. Sometimes you don't even know said the friend that compete, bro.
I do everything in all your powers for me, no boss. But me heart, me not even no keep them up. From the start, me say you never really know. While them a pray, ask Jaja fi keep me down. Me just a pray, ask Jaja fi keep me up. Then wait till you pass, fi pour out them heart. When you did the life, you couldn't even get a flask. Now on your funeral day, you get Hennessy bath. I fi protect my pints, can't drop my guard.
Once upon your funeral day, you get Hennessy bath. I'm not joke. I'm not joke. Hennessy bath when you're dead for your funeral day. I dead for Thursday and beg 1 cup of water and see if you get it.
All day you get Hennessy bath. I fi protect my pints, can't drop my guard. It's like your friends sit down and now wait for your fall. Swear to God, say people fuck up in the dark.
Sure.
And no fuse, just need somebody to talk to. Let the system free love to.
Yo, the man said, no youth just need somebody to talk to. And watch you now. You see, one of the worst things to do to a person is them forward to you to be weak. Them forward to you to release them stress that them go through by talking to you. And one of the worst things you can say to that person is be strong. Person that forward to you because they're comfortable speaking to you. And one of the worst things you can say, yo, just be strong, bro. And also, make him be weak. Make him be weak. Make him be vulnerable for a bit. Yeah, that really is a lot of stress. A lot of people don't know that shit, bro.
You love me when I'm gone. Tell me right now when I am leaving. I'm celebrating when you're gone.
But the last flowers.
I'm gonna support when you're leaving. Don't say you love me when I'm gone. Don't say you love me when I'm gone. Don't say you love me when I'm gone. Don't say you love me when I'm gone.
Bullseye. That's one graveyard to Bomba.
I mean, I say respect to my real G them. I mean, I say dear. Prohgres Records. General. You know the thing with the whole north side. You see it. I mean, I say one bullseye. I just want the G them to know say, oh, appreciation and respect and love.
Shit.
Ray-Ban will shoot China, boy.
Yo. Powerful dog. Give your dog them the flowers when them alive, bro. Give your G them the flowers. Tell your brethren say you love him, bro. You don't know how much thing, dog. You see me? Yeah, man. Show your friend them real love. Not just Hennessy love one in a party and a hug up and dance and song a play. No. They're there for your friend them, bro, and your family. And that the man I talk about, dog. Powerful message, powerful song. As always, vocal on point, melodies on point, lyrics is on point. Like, everything have a meaning in this, bro. Big up the little girl we are passed around the flowers too. Yeah, big up the production team. Yeah, the whole on, big up on yourself. Let me know what you think about the one in the comment section still. Prohgres, big up yourself, my bro. As always, I'll catch you guys down there. Powerful.